Side-by-Side friends. I'm teacher Diane, and I'm glad you're here today. We are going to talk about dinosaurs today. Rawr! This is a really fun day, and I have something special that I want to show you and a story that I want to tell you. Here is my something special to show you. It's in this little wooden box, and inside, can you see inside there? I have what looks like rocks in here, but let me show you something special about these rocks. If you open them up, like this little rock here, if I open it up, do you see that black part inside the rock? Do you know what that is? Those are dinosaur bones. Can you believe that inside a rock you could find dinosaur bones? And look at this one. This just looks like an ordinary rock, but inside you can see dinosaur bone right inside this big gray rock. So today I wanted to tell you about the trip that I took with my family where we got these dinosaur bones. I'll show you some pictures.
Several years ago, my family took a trip to Wyoming where we helped some scientists dig for dinosaur bones. You can see it was really hot that day, so we stayed under a tent. Each of us were given a knife and a broom and a dustpan, and we carefully chipped away at all the rock until we could find little black bones inside the rock. And carefully we had to help uncover each of the bones that we found. Once we uncovered some of the bone, we took it back to their lab, and we were given a toothbrush and a little chisel to carefully scrape away all the dirt and rock until all that is left is dinosaur bone.
Scientists who study dinosaurs have a very special name, and it's a really long word: paleontologist. A paleontologist is a scientist who studies dinosaur bones and fossils and puts together clues that they find to learn everything they can learn about dinosaurs. Because dinosaurs aren't around anymore. They are extinct. So we have to just learn what we can learn from dinosaur bones. Would you like to try being a paleontologist today? I have a fun project for us to do. All you will need are safety glasses and some baking soda and vinegar. Let's get started. Okay, paleontologists, are you ready to discover some dinosaur bones? Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. You'll need a large bowl. We'll need some baking soda, some white vinegar, food coloring, a little dropper or water dropper bottle for your vinegar, some measuring cups, something to put your paste in. I'm going to put mine in an egg, so they'll be like egg-shaped, and something to go inside that looks like dinosaur bones. I have a black rock and a white rock. Maybe you'll have a toy, a dinosaur, a Lego, a stick, anything you can find to put inside your dinosaur egg. And don't forget your safety glasses. Okay, we'll start with 3 cups of baking soda. And now some food coloring. What color would you like your dinosaur eggs to be? I think mine will be blue. Add some food coloring. And with my spoon, I'm going to stir those drops right in. Next, we'll add about a half a cup of water. And stir that together. I'm going to keep adding more water until this becomes the consistency or the texture and feel of paste. Maybe one more cup or one more quarter cup. Okay, this is what mine looks like. Kind of like paste or really thick peanut butter. So once you have that, now you can put it inside your mold or inside your Easter eggs. We'll start with a little scoop into the egg. Then I'll put my dinosaur bone rock in. A little bit more on top. See if the other side will fit. And add a little bit more onto the bottom. This part is messy. And snap it together. Now I'm going to set it over here on a tray and fill the rest of my eggs. And when we're all done, we're going to put these in the freezer for about 1 hour or maybe 2 hours. Okay, paleontologist, now it's the fun part. I have my frozen dinosaur egg and I left mine in the freezer overnight. So you can do it for 1 hour or you can leave it overnight, either one. So what we'll do is we will take our vinegar and drop some drips onto our dinosaur egg. If you don't have a bottle of vinegar, you could put it in a little dripper as well. So let's get started and see what happens. As a scientist, remember to look with your eyes, see what happens, smell with your nose, smell what happens, and use your ears to listen to what is happening. Okay, have fun today, and I can't wait to see what bones and fossils you might uncover today. See you next time.